Today we will see how we can scrape Wikibooks listing using Minexa.ai. So we will open Minexa's web app and I will click on the list mode because I want to scrape the listing of the Wikibooks. Now copy the Wikibooks listing URL and paste it here. Now we have to feed the sample data to Minexa. For sample data, I will simply select all the listing data. I will copy it and paste it here. Now that's it. I have my scraper ready. Just click on create scraper and this may take up to 2 minutes and we will have our scraper scrap all the data. As you can see, we have all the data scrapped. Now we can select any number of columns that we think is relevant to us, like I need the page title, the page size and the related pages. So I have selected these 4 columns. Now Minexa has given me this code for my related columns. I will simply copy that code and paste it in the Minexa base code, replace this data's value. I have this code already in my editor, so I will replace it. I have replaced the data's value. Now I will run my scraper and that's it. Minexa has successfully scraped the Wikipedia's page, and as you can see, I have this data in JSON format as well as Excel as well as CSV. So in the results list, I have this page title, page size, related page 2, all the relevant columns that was needed to me.